Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 16th, and this is my analysis for silver, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, it definitely does look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If it really is a complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then this will go down and it will break structure. The only reason why I doubt that that is what's going on here is because we're definitely not at a Fibonacci retracement level. If I zoom out a lot on the daily or just go up to the weekly, you can see that the next Fibonacci level is actually way up here, right below the 42 area, which tells me that if I zoom all the way back in, that this move down that we're currently in actually may just be a pullback to this wave up. It very likely could make another higher low and keep up pushing up towards that $42 area. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, this is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last move up. Like I said, if this right here is a wave 5, then it will keep going down, making lower lows, lower highs. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Break a structure will prove to me that this is a wave 5. But if it's not a wave 5 and the trend is definitely, if the trend is definitely still up, then this will potentially go down to a Fibonacci level, turn back up, break structure to the upside, and then likely continue the uptrend. So as normal, if you're following along with your fib levels, follow along with structure, then normally you can tell when something is over. The market will tell you by turning at a fib level, going up and breaking structure, whether it's time to start looking for longs again. Or it potentially will tell you to not look for longs if it just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, because right now it is definitely a trend. And there's no reason to say that the trend is over. Just because we're at a Fibonacci level definitely doesn't mean that it's going to go up and break structure to the upside. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.